Gunung Kidul is a regency in the special region of Yogyakarta that has a million extraordinary potentials that have not been explored. Like pearls of quality beads, which lie on the southern side of Yogyakarta. The beauty of its nature and biodiversity build Gunung Kidul as a prosperous tourism paradise, both in present time and future. Various tourist attractions and industries in this area are growing and becoming a magnet for visitors to explore and adventure. Its versatility reinforced the rapid growth of Gunung Kidul economic development and opened up new business opportunities. Accessibility, availability of water, electricity, and land are also potential advantages for investment in Gunung Kidul. Introducing to you Krakal Cottage Resort Investment Project, a brand new breakthrough for Gunung Kidul tourism. It is the resort that offers exclusive, private, and easy-to-reach lodging facilities. With a value of $1.55 million, this project combines the concept of eco-resort and family tourism, which are based on the consistency of protecting the natural beauty of Gunung Kidul.
Investasi di Gunung Kidul semakin mudah dengan adanya dukungan penuh oleh pemerintah. Jumlah kunjungan wisatawan di Gunung Kidul yang semakin meningkat setiap tahunnya membuat okupansi Drini Hills Villa terus bertambah. Untuk itu, Drini Hills Villa berani untuk mengembangkan properti sekaligus menjadikan Gunung Kidul sebagai daerah yang tepat untuk berinvestasi. Ayo berinvestasi!
Its strategic location makes it easier and more convenient for visitors to access other destinations that stretch along Gunung Kidul and make the Regency an investment target which has interconnectivity between one center of excellence and another. Not only presenting natural beauty, the availability of land and manpower makes the designated industrial area in Gunung Kidul a promising investment opportunity. Its location that is close to the cities of makes it relatively easy to reach raw materials. The Semin Industrial Designated Area, or KPI, which was built on an area of 1,455 hectares, is one of the efforts to encourage the growth of the industrial sector in Gunung Kidul. Located on the main road and close to Boyolali's toll exit, the process of distributing raw materials and production goods is also easier from and to the area. In addition, this area has been equipped with various facilities. The building is also designed with the layout and function of the space to adjust the production distribution flow to increase effectiveness. As an up-and-coming leading investment opportunity, the garment industry project has an investment value of $2.9 million.
Proses investasi di Gunung Kidul semakin mudah dengan adanya bantuan penuh dari pemerintah. Pemerintah menjamin proses perizinan 100% untuk usaha baru dari awal sampai terbitnya izin usaha. Dari segi sumber daya manusia, masyarakat setempat juga sangat terbuka dan sangat antusias. Dengan adanya pendirian usaha baru, menjadikan Gunung Kidul tempat yang cocok untuk berinvestasi.
A wide open investment opportunities and facilities provided by the government make it easier to develop businesses in Gunung Kidul. It is time to invest in Gunung Kidul and be a part of the economic growth in this potential area. Let's invest in Jogja.